Hi there, my name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists at Lemon. In this quick video, I will demonstrate to you how you can check your competitors or your website's meta title, meta description, links, images without using code or using the simple extension called detailed. So let's get right started. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to head over to your Chrome web store and then type in detailed. You see, I've already done this. And then once that's done, you want to click on SEO extension. You see detailed SEO extension and then install it. And then you log in with your password or your Google account. Once that's done, you will see that it will show up here as one of your extensions. For our reference in this video, I've already pinned it, so it's easier to access. In this example, we'll be using pearllemon.com. So once you've reached a website or a domain that you would like to check for the title tags or meta description, you would want to go navigate to the top bar and click on detailed, or if you have not pinned it under extension. So I'll click on detail right now. And a pop-up window will show all the relevant information. Like for example, it shows us the title, description, the URL, the chronicle, robots tag, X robots tag, keyword, word count, publisher, language, and header tags. So we'll start from the top. So as you can see here, this is the title tag. Usually we want to optimize this title tag with the keywords that are associated to the page. And we want to have these title tags to have less than 60 characters as a rule of thumb. Below that is the description. So this is just a description of the page, small as well. It needs to be keyword optimized. As a rule of thumb, you wouldn't want more than 160 characters on your meta description. This is the URL to help Google. As you can see here, it shows that it's indexable. It also says if it's chronological or not. This is really important for search engines to tell which one is the main URL on the page. As you can see here, these are robot tags, keywords. Your most favorite keyword will pop up here or show here. What's really important to note is word count. So this is good to know, especially if you're a competitor or you're building your own site. And the header tags will show up here. So as a rule of thumb, you wouldn't want more than 2 header tags. It usually should be 1, and you can have unlimited H1, H3, H4, H5, H6 header tags as long as it's chronological. For more information, you can see here, this is all the header tags on the page. You see the H1, the H2, H3. What's really cool about this tool is you can always copy all these header tags and paste it to a document if you need to do a site backup or so on. Another feature is links. As you see here, it gives us all the total amount of links on the page, unique, internal, external as well. Once more, you can export incomplete links or you can export complete links, which is really cool in case you want to work on another platform such as Airtable and so on. The next feature is images. Here it tells us all the images on the website, and it's specific. It tells us without the alt text, which an alt text is really important to a site. It describes what is in the image, and this is without a title, as it also helps with the SEO ranking. Once more, what's really cool about this tool, you can export incomplete images. You can export complete images as well. Another part of this tool called detailed, there's also a option to see the schema of the website. As you can see here, it is complete, and you can export it in case you need a backup. Another one is social. As you see here, we have the open graph from Facebook. It's complete, as well as Twitter. So on your different site, it will show all the social links on the page. There's also advanced. Here you can choose which type of robot to crawl your website, as well as editing it and customizing it, and for example, and making it to a dark mode. There's also the change user agent, where you can choose yourself which robot and which browser you like to use, check if it's crawling, and more. So that's just the basic tutorial on how to use detailed on your SEO campaigns, as well as to check for meta description, headers, links, images, schema, social for your competitor or for your website. For any more information, feel free to reach out to us at pearllemon.com and subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips.